So hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So kids, today we are here for grade 9th mathematics Olympiad demo session. So generally what we do in our demo sessions is we give you a brief introduction about Olympiad success. So basically who we are and a course overview wherein you will understand like what all you would be taught during the entire course, okay, and other details about the course. After that, there would be a tour of the platform. So basically during that tour, you will get to know like what all material you would be able to access, okay, and what all you would be getting once you enroll for this program. Post that, like if you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask us and we would be answering your queries. And after that, we will be starting with the demo session by Tariq sir. Okay, so over to you, Rajan, for
Yeah,
for
sure,
the
ma'am.
presentation.
So I'm just sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Not yet.
Okay. My screen is visible now, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, thank you. So students, welcome to the demo of class 9th mathematics. Okay, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad success. So Olympiad success. So students, Olympiad success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. And we have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. Students, we have School Plus program. In School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written both, Vedic maths, and also coding. What else? We also provide online CBSE Plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10, and one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like CESMO, CMO, Hong Kong International Mathematics Olympiad, TIMO, Maths Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, and also JEE main preparation classes. Meet the rank holder for session 2021. So we got international rank 1. Many students in Olympiad success got international rank 1. Now about this for students, the class will be conducted on Zoom platform and there will be around 20 students in a class. So there will be 3 sessions per week. The days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, that is TTS. And the timing is 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. So the duration of the class will be 75 minutes students, and there will be a break of 5 minutes in between. The session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and we will also discuss previous year paper. And students, you will get access to the reading material and practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And students will get a free Olympiad Success practice topic wise mock test for mathematics as well as for logical reasoning. So syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. So the fees for this course is 12,720 and there will be 60 sessions in this course. Okay, the fees link I will share in the chat box. So students, the fees include online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and you will get the access to the worksheets, or you can say mock tests for mathematics and logical reasoning. And students, if you enroll today, you will eligible for a free Best Mathematics Olympiad exam, that is CMO exam. So to join this course, what you need a desktop with good internet speed and headphone. And students, as you know, like preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than regular school curriculum, as there will be some topics from upper grade also. So you need to spend approx 2 hours every day to cope up with your curriculum. Okay, students. Now, the live classes for this batch will start from 21st May. So currently we have students from 3,800 schools and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about the course students. Now, Aarti ma'am will give you a tour of Olympiad Success Dashboard. And after that, if you have any question, any doubts, you can ask. So what do you Aarti ma'am?
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir. It was a wonderful presentation, and I hope most of the doubts of the kids would have been cleared by this. So in case if you are still left with any doubts, we would be taking that up after the tour of the platform. So students, what you need to do is like you have to go to this website olympiadsuccess.com/login, and here you need to enter your credentials. So this is grade 9th. All right, so you would be provided with your email and password when and you have to enter them here and click on the sign in button. You would be logged into your profile page, like the land to the profile page. After you complete all your profile details, you can move to the other sections. So two sections which are of importance here are live classes and the worksheets. Okay, so first I'll tell you about live classes. So here under the subject section, you can see what all subjects you have enrolled for, right? So I have enrolled for these 5 subjects, which are maths, reasoning, science, Vedic mathematics, and web designing. Okay, so what I need to do is I just have to select the subject, then I need to select the topic, and here you can see like all the reading material, practice question and answer keys will be available to you. You have to click on that, and then you can see here like related to number system, the topic would be given, and then practice questions would be given. So for every topic, there would be sufficient practice questions for you to practice, and these would be at par with your Olympiad level questions. So once you are done with your practice question, you can match your answers with the answer keys given over here. Okay. Then the next thing is view schedule. So once you click on this button, the schedule for this course, entire course would come up, wherein you will understand like in which session what type of topics would be taken up. So in session 1, like number systems would be taken up. In session 2, this. Session 3, this. Then session 4 is test. Okay, so like we have structured the entire syllabus into these sessions, and so you would be knowing beforehand only like what would be going what you would be doing in which session. All right, and towards the end, if you go, so here you can see like after the 54th session, the remaining 6 sessions are for your super classes. So what does super class mean? Basically, in these super classes, your doubts would be solved, and your basically previous year papers, and like various other queries which you are having related to the course, they would be solved. Okay, and that is about the schedule. Then we have the holiday calendar. So on this you can see like the dates on which your classes will not be conducted, right? And finally here, Zoom meeting and ID and password. So your Zoom meeting ID and password would be updated, so you have to use that credential to log into the meetings, right? And then the next thing is worksheets. Okay, so this also you get free access over here. What you have to do is you have to click on comprehensive mathematics, and here you can see like all the topic wise worksheets would be given. So there are 63 worksheets for you to practice from. So we have 25 questions per topic. Okay, so these worksheets are available in the form of examination. You need to click on the take exam button and then start worksheet. So here your worksheet will be started. So you can see the question, the options, and various buttons, right? Once you select your answer, you can move ahead, and you can see the question panel over here. So you'll understand like basically the color is getting changed, so you'll understand how many questions you have not answered or marked for review, right? Once you are done, you have to click on the finish button, and your exam will be submitted, and you will be redirected to the answer key page. Okay, so here you can see the question, the options, the correct answer, what your answer is, and the explanation. Correct. So for all the 25 questions, everything would be displayed over here. And in case if you would want to revisit, what you need to do is just click on the performance tab, and here you can see the details, right? So you have to click on the view button for which you would want to see the details. And here, like the summary of the examination would be coming up. Click on the review button, and your answer key would open up. So this is about the platform tour. So there are two important things to note. First is the live classes, and second is the worksheets. All right, so now kids, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can let us know, And after that, Tariq sir would be starting with your demo class, and before that he would be introducing himself to you as well. So Tariq sir has been associated with us for quite a long time now, and he's that one special mentor. He is available to all the kids 24 by 7. And like, how is this possible? Because he creates a WhatsApp group with all the kids, right? And you can ask him questions, like whenever you have any doubt, you can just put that doubt in your WhatsApp group, and he would be happy to answer all your queries. So this is a special privilege you get in Tariq sir's class. And more he would be introducing himself about once we finish with the question and answer round. So any doubts coming up? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I think so, Rajan sir, then should we begin with the demo, or do you have any questions to be asked to the students?
Yes, yes. So, students, can you tell me one thing, like what are the days and timing on which we have the classes?
Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday, sir.
Okay, and timing?
6:30 to 7:45.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I think Aarti ma'am, we can begin with the session.
Thank you so much, everyone. And over to you, Tariq sir, first for a brief introduction about yourself, and then you can start with the demo.
Thank you, Artima. So, guys, myself, Tariq Ahmed, and I have been in this profession for 21 years now. And I start taking classes from standard 8 and take it up to graduation level. Right now, at Olympiad Success Platform, I have been taking classes of standard 8, 9, and 10. And the plan for the class is that we always start from the basics. First of all, we take the classes for the basic things, which is asked, the questions related to that is asked in your school examination. So we cover that also. And then gradually we enhance the content level and take it up to Olympiad level of level 1 and level 2. In class 9, this is one of the difficult class of life. In fact, this is the first difficult class of the life. So here we have to learn how to cope up with the syllabus. And during the classes, we learn all these things also, apart from learning the content. And this year, we have to learn something of advanced classes also, because in Olympiad, if you are appearing for class 9 examination, so some questions from standard 10th or 11th is also asked. So in our content, many things are there which we cover from standard 10 and standard 11th also. So you are going to learn a lot of things during the classes. And in past, many of our students have secured good rank in Olympiad examination, as Rajan explained earlier. One special privilege is there with my class, as Aarti ma'am said earlier, that you will get WhatsApp group where you can ask your doubt apart from this class. No matter what time you are asking your doubt, I would be there and explaining your answers, explaining your doubts. So I'm available to you, as Aarti ma'am said, 24 by 7. Yeah, that is true. Uh, I have been available for last 2-3 years continuously. I'm doing so. So what happened? I am available with my students, but many a time I have felt that students are not asking that much questions. So it's my expectation, if you are taking classes from us, so just try to get all the opportunity which are available here, and we are happy to help you, and we will committed to help you. Very committed team under the leadership of our director Nitin sir. So I hope you will learn a lot of things, not only of class 9, but also of 10th and 11th in my classes. So that's a brief from myself. So now I will start demo, if Aarti ma'am permits me.
Absolutely, sir. You can go ahead, and it's really a pleasure to have you on the platform. So, students, now we will be starting with the demo session, and I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you so much, Tariq, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, it's better if you all will keep the video on, because I believe in interacting. So during the classes, I will ask a lot of questions. So if I will able to see your faces, because that is the norm in the classes. In my classes, it is mandatory that video should be kept on. Many a times students do not keep the video on. So I'm very much strict on that. So it is better. You should get the experience of that also here, right in the demo class. So it's better if you are going to turn on the video. Good, Harish. So let me start. See, in most of the schools, this is the time that 2 chapters are already finished. Harish, what is going on in your school right now? Can you give me the idea?
Sir, linear equation
Linear equation, 3rd chapter, right?
by two variables.
Okay, that is the fourth
Yes, sir.
chapter. And 2 more students are there. I'm able to see. If you can help me by just telling me what is going on in your school, in your classes. Can you?
Question in two variables.
Linear equations in 2 variables, right? So,
Sir,
let's,
it started, sir.
okay, you have not yet started yet. So I think irrational numbers you have already completed, and the polynomials that already completed in your school, right? So I'm
Yes.
going to give some examples of polynomials, right? Let us see how you are going to understand it and going to learn something new. So polynomials. So my first question to you, can you tell me what is the meaning of polynomial? Any one of you, if you have idea the meaning of polynomial? Any idea? Yes or no? Go first. See, polynomial is a Greek word, and the word meaning of poly is many, and nomial means term. Okay, an expression containing many terms, that is known as polynomials. I'm writing some polynomials like x, then x plus 2, x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 2, x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square minus 5x plus 1. All these are polynomials. Here in this one, only one term is there. Term, number of terms. Only one term is here. So it has a special name. This polynomial is known as monomial. Correct. Good. Now, here there are two terms. So what is the
Binomial.
name?
Binomial.
Good. Very good. And what is the name for this one?
Trinomial.
Trinomial.
Correct. Trinomial. And then you can call all these polynomials, right? Okay. One thing here, it is important, degree. Do you know what is degree? Any one of you? What is the degree? Okay.
The
so let's
power.
see. Yeah. Go ahead. The power.
The power.
Okay. You are right, in fact, but not exactly. Degree is the highest power. The highest power of variables present in that expression, that is known as degree. In first example, what is the highest power? 1. Yes. So its degree is 1. Here, what is the degree of this polynomial?
2.
No. Highest power, the degree. Highest power of the variable is still 1. So it has also degree 1. Correct? Now, what is the highest power in this polynomial? 2. It is of degree 2. What is the degree of this one?
3.
Good. What is the degree of this one?
4.
4. Correct? Now, a special name is given according to their degree. When a polynomial is of degree 1, that is known as linear.
Linear polynomial.
Linear polynomial. When degree is 2, that is known as quadratic polynomial. And when degree is 3, then
Cubic polynomial.
and degree is 4, then biquadratic. Got it? So this is a polynomial of degree 4. So its name is biquadratic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. In the school, you will use maximum, right? A quadratic polynomial, linear and quadratic only. Do you have idea what is the meaning of linear term? Anyone has idea about?
1. Single.
Yes, a single.
Okay. See, when degree is 1, that is known as linear. See, linear, this is derived from the word line. When you add line, add AR to the line, you will get the term linear. So linear is derived from the word line. And line means a straight line. Why it is named like that? Because when you will draw its graph, when you draw the graph of a linear polynomial, you will get a straight line. That's why it is called linear. So now you have understand that linear means in one straight line. Fine. Now I'm coming to the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Anyone has idea what are the zeros?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Yes, sir. Every linear polynomial is in one variable has a unique zero. A non-zero constant polynomial has no zero, and every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial.
Okay. So I'm explaining that more. See, the value of the variable, the value of, most of the time the polynomial is written with the variable x. So I'm writing x here. So the value of the variable, suppose this is x. So the value of x for which the net value of the polynomial becomes 0. Those values are called zeros of the polynomial. This is the definition. So if we say that x equals to a is a zero of this particular polynomial, it means by putting that value a in the polynomial, the total value of the polynomial will become 0. I am showing it by example. Suppose fx, this is x minus 2. Now I have put 0 here at the place of x. So put here 0, 0 minus 2. We will get minus 2. After putting the value, we are getting the total value as minus 2. So now tell me, can we call 0 as the 0 of this polynomial? Tell me, can we call it 0?
No, sir.
No, because definition says those values of x, by putting, we get the overall value 0. Now I'm putting 1 at the place of x. 1 minus 2. We will get minus 1. Again, here we are not getting 0. It means this 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Now I am putting 2. What will happen? 2 minus 2. We are getting 0. Since by putting 2, we get the net value as 0. So we can say, yes, x equals to 2 is a 0 of polynomial fx. Okay, trying to explain once again by taking another example. Suppose fx is x square minus 9. What kind of polynomial is this? Linear, quadratic?
Binomial.
Okay, this is binomial, but what kind of linear, quadratic, cubic? Quadratic, right? Okay. Now see, I'm putting here 0. See what we are getting. 0 square minus 9. This is minus 9. Obviously, we are not getting 0. So this is not a 0 of this polynomial. Now I'm putting x as, suppose 2. 2 square minus 9. 4 minus 9. We are getting minus 5. Again, we are not getting it as 0. So this 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial. I'm putting 3 here. So 3 square minus 9, we are getting 0. Then yes, 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Again, I am putting minus 3 here. What will happen? Minus 3 square minus 9. So 9 minus 9, we will again get 0. So this minus 3 is again a 0 of this polynomial. Fine. Now see, two examples I gave
Sir,
you.
minus 3 square is minus 9, right?
No. Minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3. This is the meaning of minus 3 square. Correct?
Yes.
Then minus minus will become plus. 3 3 is 9. So we will get 9 here.
Okay.
So 9 minus 9, the result would be 0. Now notice the second thing in these two examples. This is the first example for linear one. This is the second example for quadratic one. How many zeros you are getting in this one? Only one. You are getting 1 0. Here, how many zeros we are getting?
2.
2 zeros. It means for linear polynomial, we will get 1 zeros. For quadratic polynomial, we will get 2 zeros. For cubic polynomial, how many zeros we will get?
3.
3 zeros. And for biquadratic, we
4.
will get 4 zeros. This is the basic. That's why it is named as linear, quadratic, and so on. So what we learn that in quadratic polynomial, we will always get 2 zeros. This is the basic rule. Always, no matter what kind of quadratic is that. So 2 zeros would be there. But if that polynomial is a linear one, then we will only get 1 0. For cubic, 3 zeros. Fine. Now, this is the question. Here I found the zeros by just trial and error method. I just put some values from my side. So what is the rule to find the zeros of a polynomial? The rule is very simple. As we learned that by putting the value, the net value of the polynomial will be 0. So we have to do one thing. If we want to find the zero of this polynomial, then put this equals to 0. Means x minus 2 equals to 0. So we will get x as 2. And definitely this is a 0 of this polynomial. Similarly, from here, we have to put fx equals to 0. Means x square minus 9 equals to 0. Then x square equals to 9. Now see, here what I am going to do. So far you have not done it, but now onward you have to do this one. If x square is 9,
square
then
and
x
becomes
is
root.
plus minus root 9. See, this is the formula. If x square is a, and if you want to find x, and we are taking a square root of this number, then we will get two values, one in plus, another in minus. So this is the formula. If x square is equal to a, then x is equal to plus minus root a. So following this rule, if x square is 9, then x is equal to plus minus root 9, and root 9 is 3. So x is plus minus 3. Means we are getting the value of x as minus 3 and plus 3. And see clearly, at 3 and minus 3, this becomes 0. Fine. So I also explained how we can find the zeros of a polynomial. So I'm going to repeat once again what we learned so far. We learned what are the zeros. Zeros are the values of the variable. After putting those values, the net value of the polynomial becomes 0. Then we learn that a linear polynomial has only 1 0, quadratic has 2, cubic has 3 zeros. Then we learn how we can find the zeros of the polynomial by just putting that polynomial equal to 0 and solving for x. The values of x we will get, and we will get the zeros. Fine. So far everything clear?
And this you can use in logarithms also, sir.
Yes. Repeat once again. Repeat once
Sir,
again.
this formula we can use even in logarithm.
See, logarithm is a different topic. If logarithm is involved there in the equation, then we can use the rules of that logarithm. But if hello. So am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible now.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm
You
audible.
were stuck.
Okay. So is still stuck or fine?
So
Harish? Is
Fine,
still
sir.
okay. Now it's fine. Okay. So see, now many identities we have to learn, and before coming to identities, one definition is there for a polynomial to call polynomial. Fx is said to be polynomial if number one, power of variable are positive or integral values. Integral values. Getting my voice, Harris?
Yes, sir.
If you turn on the video, Harris, it will help me. So please turn on. I'm not able to see anyone right now, so it will be better. Yeah, that is better for me. I will explain better. So for a polynomial to call polynomial, there is some condition. The condition says that power of the variable involved in that expression should always be positive or integral values. Now, what is the meaning of integral values? Means those numbers must be integer, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Means power should not be power of variable should not be negative or fractional. This is the condition. If you are able to see any power negative or in fraction, then that cannot be called polynomial. See, one example.
Okay, sir.
X square plus root 2x plus 3. Tell me whether this is example of a polynomial or not.
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, why? Why it is not a polynomial?
Because
I
root
So
say,
because it comes less down.
see. This condition is for variable only. The power of variable should not be negative, neither be negative nor fractional. That condition is for variable only, not for the constant number. Here, root 2 is for the number, and this is constant. The power of variable is 2 here, the power of variable is 1 here. So yes, this is a polynomial. Got it? This is a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Now, the second example. X square minus 3 root x plus 1. Tell me whether this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial, yes or no?
Yes, I think so.
No. See here, it is root x. What is the meaning of root x?
X power over half.
X to the power 1 by 2, power half. So now here the power is in fraction. And since variable power is in fraction, that's why it is not a polynomial.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next example. This is not a polynomial. This is a polynomial. X plus 1 by x equals to x plus 1 by x. Tell me whether this is a polynomial or not.
No, sir.
Okay, why?
Because x and 1 by x is half of the 1x.
See, this is x, and when we want to write it in the numerator, we can write x to the power minus 1. It has power 1, but here the power is negative. And the rule says power cannot be negative of a variable. So since power is negative here, so So again, this is not a polynomial. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about this one? X square minus 1 by x square?
Sir, it is not because it's negative.
Correct. We can write this x square minus x to the power minus 2. Since the power is negative, so this is again not a polynomial. Fine. So this is the condition. Power of the variable should not be negative nor fractional value. Fulfilling these two conditions, that statement or that expression can be called as polynomial. So x cube minus 3x plus 1. Is it a polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. And how
Yes,
many
sir.
zeros you will get for this polynomial? How many zeros you will get? I explained for linear polynomial, you will get 1 0. For quadratic, you will get 2. So this is a cubic polynomial. So how
Yes.
many zeros you will get?
3.
3 zeros. So its number of zeros would be 3. Fine. And then how we can find that polynomial, that zeros? By just solving this, by factorizing this particular polynomial, we can find the zeros. So rules are there, different rules are there. See, some identity I am showing you. A plus B whole square. I think you will have idea about this one.
Yes, sir. A square
What
plus
is
B.
A square plus B square plus 2AB? Then A minus B whole square. What is its identity?
A
A
square
square plus B square minus
minus
2AB.
2AB.
Right? Then A square minus B square. What is identity for this one? A
A
plus
square
B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. Right? Then
Yes.
the fourth one. A plus B whole cube. Its identity is A
Q plus
cube
B
plus
cube
B cube
plus 3.
3AB A plus B. Or we can write A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Then A minus B whole cube, A cube minus
A
B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. If we are expanding, we can write A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Okay. Then this one, A cube plus B cube. Can you tell me what is the formula for this one? It is A plus B, then A square minus AB plus B square. Then for A cube minus B cube, A minus
A
B
minus B into
A
A
square
square
plus
plus
B square.
AAB.
Correct? Now, what is the formula for this one? A plus B plus C whole square.
A square plus B square plus C square minus
Correct?
2
No, not minus, plus.
plus
2AB
2ABC.
plus 2BC plus 2CA. Can you tell me the formula for this? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Its formula is A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Same can be written as 1 by 2 A plus B plus C, A minus B whole square, B minus C whole square, and then C minus A whole square. See, these are the identities which you have to learn in the second chapter, in the polynomial chapter. And question based on this is asked in school examination as well as in Olympiad paper. Now, I'm showing some questions here, which can be asked for your school exam as well as for Olympiad papers. See, one question I have, it is given, if x plus 1 by x is 10, then find x square plus 1 by x square, then x square minus 1 by x square, then x cube plus 1 by x cube, x cube minus 1 by x cube, x4 plus 1 by x4, and so on. So I have written 5 questions based on same number. If x plus 1 by x equals to 10, any of this can be asked in the paper. Normally in Olympiad paper, this one is asked, this one is asked, or similar to this is asked. And in a school examination, you may get this one, the most simpler one. Now see how we can solve it. It is given x plus 1 by x equals to 10. Now, squaring both sides, what we will do? X plus 1 by x whole square, this is equal to 10 square. Which formula we have to use here? A plus b whole square.
A plus b whole square.
So this is x square, then 1 by x square plus 2ab. 2x 1 by x, this is 100. This x will cancel this x. So x square plus 1 by x square is 100 minus 2, and that is 98. Now we get the value of x square plus 1 by x square, that is 98. We get the first value. Now see, for the second one, x square minus 1 by x square, using the identity, we can write this x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. We have the value of this x plus 1 by x, 10. But we don't have value right now for x minus 1 by x. So first of all, to find its value, we need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. Now, how we can find this one? We have already the value of x square plus 1 by x square, that is 98. We can use this. Now see what I am doing. X minus 1 by x whole square, and its expansion would be x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab, 2 into x 1 by x. This is, its value is 98, then minus 2, this is 96. So x minus 1 by x whole square is 96. So x minus 1 by x root 96. We can find the value of both plus minus. No need to find negative here. Just find the plus value. So x minus 1 by x would be what? 4 root 6. 96 can be written as 4 into 4 into 6. Pair of 4. It will come out. So x minus 1 by x is 4 root 6. Now we get its value. This is 4 root 6. Put it here. Multiply. We will get the value. So x square minus 1 by x square, we get 40 root 6. Getting?
Yes.
Not getting?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Okay. Now see, the third one. X cube plus 1 by x cube. Here we have to use the identity. A cube plus b cube. So its identity is a plus b, x plus 1 by x. Then a square plus b square minus ab, x into 1 by x. I am rubbing this. This will cancel, x and x will cancel. We have the value of x plus 1 by x given in the question 10. We have already found the value of x square plus 1 by x square, 98, then minus 1, 10 into 97, so it is 970. So we get the value of third one, x cube plus 1 by x cube, that is 970. Okay. The next one, fourth one, x cube minus 1 by x cube. Again, we have to use the identity. X minus 1 by x, then x square plus 1 by x square plus ab, x into 1 by x. It will cancel, so 1 will remain there. We have already found the value of x minus 1 by x. Put it here. Its value 98, then plus 1, 4 root 6 into 98, 99. So this is 396 root 6. We get the value of x cube minus 1 by x. Now, we have to find the value of fourth one, that is last one, fifth one, x4 plus 1 by x4. To find x4 plus 1 by x4, first of all, we need to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square, which we have already found, which is equal to 98. So from here, we can start. We have x square plus 1 by x square equals to 98. Then squaring both sides, here when we will square a square x4, b square 1 by x4, then 2ab, 2x square 1 by x square, and 98 square is, what is the value? 8 8 just 64, 72, 144, 6, 150, 81, 15, 96, 9604. This is cancelled. So x4 plus 1 by x4 is 9602. This is the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. See, many questions are there based on this. Even sixth one may be asked x4 minus 1 by x4. This is also asked. So using the same rule, we have to find its value. I'm writing another question. Please solve it for me. Let us find out who has got it properly. If x minus 1 by x is 5, find number 1, x square plus 1 by x square, and number 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Only two questions I have given. So I am waiting. Let us see who is answering it correctly. Please solve it. I'm waiting.
Sir, x square I got 25, x cube I got 125.
Its value, what you are getting?
X square is
X.
25 and x cube is 125.
No. See, once again. X minus 1 by x is 5. Then squaring both sides. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab. And this is equal to 5 square, that is 25. So it will cancel. So x square plus 1 by x square will be 25 plus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square is in fact 27.
27.
Yes. Then its value. We have to use the identity x plus 1 by x, and then x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. X into 1 by x, we will get minus 1. This is the identity for a cube plus b cube. We have the value 5. Its value we have 27, then minus 1, 5 into 26. So this is 130. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, here I have, in fact, it should be minus because it is minus. So one mistake is there, because then for that one, we will have to find the value. Then it would be 1 here. So 5 into 28, 140. Okay. If you want to find the value of that x cube plus 1 by x cube, we can find its identity is x plus 1 by x, and then x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. We have the value of this 27 minus 1, but we don't have the value of x plus 1 by x. We have the given value is x minus 1 by x. So first of all, we have to find the value of this. Now see, x plus 1 by x whole square is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab. 2x1 by x. This is cancelled. Its value we have already got 27. Put it here. This is 29. So x plus 1 by x would be root under 29. So here we have to put 29, root 29. This is 26. So its value is 26 root 29. Okay. One more of the same kind. X minus 1 by x is given 3. Find x4 plus 1 by x4. See, first of all, you have to find its value, and then squaring again, you will get its value. Do it. I'm waiting. Getting what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? X minus 1 by x is 3. Then squaring both sides, what we will get? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab. This is 3 square 9. So x square plus 1 by x square will be 9 plus 2 11. We get the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Then squaring again. Squaring again. Square it again. X4 plus 1 by x4 plus 2ab. Here 121. This is cancelled. So x4 plus 1 by x4 is 121 minus 2, 119. This is the value. Fine?
Yes.
So I think I explained a little bit of math of polynomial, some basics and some few questions. So many questions are there we have to learn in the classes, and many things of class 9th, of class 10th also, and that we will learn in the classes. So I think it is enough for today. Rajan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, students, for joining today. Thank you, Tariq sir, for the wonderful session. So students, in the chat box, I'm just sharing links. So yes, I've shared the links. You can just copy the link and save somewhere. So this link will help you to joining the classes, okay, live classes. So now Tariq sir will meet you in the live classes. Okay, students. So thank you for joining today. Thank you, Tariq sir, for the wonderful session.
Thank you, Rajan. Okay, boys. See you all again in the class. Bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.